Hi, best buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy to see you here. And today we're going to make some ephemera clusters using our scrap busting little pieces that we sewed here on some music paper. But first, a shout out to Nancy, Joyce, Maybelline, Mackenzie, and Sue. I appreciate each and every one of you. So what I did was I cut out from some cardstock that I coffeed and beet dyed into these little shapes right here using this punch for the oval, the Paper Studio, and this one for the square. We are clear cut punch, and I punched them out, and then I did ink around the edges using the Victorian velvet. I have these beautiful butterflies from My Porch Prints that I fussy cut out and inked around the edges, and then I have my little sewn piece here, and I inked around the edge where I ripped it. So let's just begin. Let's do a square one to begin with. So I have my beloved stamp that is the words that I got at, you can get it at Hobby Lobby or Joann's. They still have it in stock. And I'm going to take my black ink and I am going to put some words right here on these little cutouts, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and do them all, so we'll have them all ready. It is still raining here, guys. Oh, the dog outside is barking. Uh-oh. I might have to pause y'all if they continue. I'm going to pause y'all just a minute. Okay, I think they've settled down now. The one we call Rosie, the Akita, the female Akita we call Rosie, she is out of her crate today with Judge, the male Akita, and she usually likes to stay in her crate for the afternoon, but I let her stay out, and she is a barker. She's a deep, deep barker. And when she starts barking, she might have to go up in her crate. But so far she's settled back down. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose just whatever butterfly out of my little group of butterflies that I have here, and I'm going to glue it down on the corner. So yeah, I think I kind of like this bigger one. I'm going to glue it down on the corner first, and then we will get this glued down here. And let's go ahead and use this pretty purple one, or lavender. I'm not sure what color you want to call it, lavender, purple. We'll get some more going here. This one's kind of a peachy color. Get it down. Okay. I'm starting to get too low on the screen there. I'll come back up. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. So beautiful. So on the paper, I took fresh beets and I cut them in big wedges, and I boiled them, simmered them for quite a while, and then I poured it into a ball canning jar. I keep it in the refrigerator. It lasts for a very long time, and a little goes a long way when you have a day that you want to do some paper dyeing. And I just love the color. Absolutely love it. I mixed this with some coffee dyed as well. All right, so next what I'd like to do is take our strip, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of eyeball it here. If we need to cut it there, and cut it about here for this one. Whoops. We are putting them kind of on the butterfly. The butterfly is going to be underneath, like that. And this one. Oh my, this snippet went a long ways here. This is a very long ways. I might put that one up a little bit. Nope, I like it on top better. All right, so now we're going to need to quickly ink the ends of all these. So I will do that. Okay, I've got those all inked. Now I'm going to lay some more glue down and finish these off. We're going to do one more step after this that I really think adds a lot to it. I'm going to put that one so far. I might hang that one off a little bit more, maybe like that. Oops, I'm going to lose that butterfly. Okay. I really like the stamp with the words coming through. I think that's a nice addition. Okay, they're looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and put a little dollop of glue right on the butterfly's body so that we can add a little pearl to finish it off. I think that would be a lovely addition. So let's get this here and get them on these scrap busting pages that I did on the music. It's just, oh, there's so many possibilities to do with them. So very many, and they're so fun and easy. Once you get them made, then it really opens up to make all kinds of different things quickly. The hardest part is going through your scraps. That's the very hardest part. All right, you guys, I think they absolutely turned out beautiful. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed being with you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.